Hello and welcome to Mathematical Universe. In this universe, we'll be solving problems on normal to the parabola. In this particular problem, we are solving the normal for y squared equals 16x. So every problem, there's always a solution. Now, the first thing we used to do is to compare. Never forget that. So we compare it to the general form. So by comparison or by comparing the equation given to us, which is y squared equal 16x. We'll compare it to the general form, which is, let me write that properly. I'll write it y 16x. So we compare it with our y squared equals 4ax. So by virtue, we know we are comparing 16x to 4ax. So write 4ax equal 16x, whereby x will nullify x. We'll be left with 4a equal 16. The goal here is to find a. So divide through by 4. Then 4 will nullify 4 in this place. Then a will equal 4 because 16 divided by 4 is 4. Now we've gotten the value for a. What is the next step? The next step is to write the equation of the normal at point x1, y1. So equation of normal at points x1. Sorry, I'm writing the one given to us, which is 1 comma minus 4. So I'm supposed to write x1 y1. So the equation, if you recall, is 2ay plus x y1 equal 2ay1 plus x1 y1. So that's the equation of the normal. So all we have to do is to plug in the values we already have. We're given that the points, the coordinates we're given is 1 comma minus 4. 1 comma minus 4. So, and we already have a to be equal to 4. So we're going to plug in these values into the equation of normal. Mind you, the coordinates interpret your x1, y1. So 2 into a. What's our a? Our a is 4. So I'm going to write 4 in red to signify a. Then continuation as y plus. No, we can't have plus, we have minus now, because remember this y1 is negative, so it's negative 4. So it's going to be negative 4x. Remember that part there, that point there is indicating x1 and y1, and y1 is negative 4. So instead of writing x y1, I have my y1 to be minus or negative 4. So negative 4x is what I'm going to write instead, equal to, then 2, then a. Remember that a is 4. Then we continue. Then the y1, remember y1 is negative 4. I just did it now. Then plus our x1. Our x1 is 1 in the coordinates there. So I'm going to put it into parentheses as 1. Then I'm going to write our y1 to be negative 4. Then we continue with the basic operation. Just a simple calculation thereafter. This is going to give us 8y minus 4x equal to, now this 2 times 4 times 4, or 4 times 4 is 16 times 2 is 32. So negative 32, because we have negative 4 there. Then we're also going to have minus 4, because 1 times minus 4 will give us negative 4. So now the right hand side will be negative 36, because negative 32 negative 4 will give us negative 32. So I have 8y minus 4x equals negative 36. Now bring the negative 36 to the other side. It's going to become positive 36. So this is going to be 8y minus 4x plus 36 equal 0, because there's nothing on the right hand side again. Now you notice there's a distinctive figure among these three terms here. They're all divisible by 4. So divide all through by 4, and even 0 by 4. This nullifies this will give us 2. Then 4 nullify 4. 4 in 36 will give us what? 9. So write out the remaining expression, 2y minus x plus 9 equal 0. So this is your final answer. There's no way we can continue further. This is the simplest answer so far.